Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it is important to know that I'm here to help you prepare for your IELTS speaking exam with tips, strategies and sample answers. In today's video, we're going to dive into an important cue card topic that many of you might get in the exam. I'll be sharing a well-structured response that you can use as a guide to prepare your own answer. So, if you're aiming to score high in the speaking section, make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to take notes. An advertisement that you think is useful. What is it? Why do you think it is useful? What is its impact? Importance of advertisements. Advertisements are given for the purpose of awareness or promotion which benefits viewers a lot. A lot of means are used to advertise, such as newspaper, television, social networking sites, etc. I think a public service message promoting recycling is one kind of advertising that's quite helpful. This advertisement was a part of a larger environmental awareness campaign that a local government organisation ran to promote sustainable behaviours in the neighbourhood. The theme of the advertising is straightforward but impactful: recycle today for a greener tomorrow. It displays a sequence of pictures that illustrate how a plastic bottle gets recycled and turned into a new object, such a park seat or reusable shopping bag, after being used and thrown away. The advertisement conveys its point using vivid, captivating images and succinct, easy-to-read text. Additionally, a call to action is included, asking viewers to segregate their waste and use the designated recycling bins. In my community, I have seen the effect of this advertisement. Since its inception, there have been more and more households taking part in recycling programs. The local authority of Amritsar reported that waste sent to landfills has declined, while recycling increased too. Furthermore, schools and businesses have begun integrating recycling lessons in their programs as a way of propagating the message. Conclusively, what comes out from this recycling advertisement is how effectively a good written message can alter public conduct. Not only does it make people aware about something so vital, but also give them simple things they can do to bring change. This advertisement has great everything in it due to its significant contribution towards environmental awareness formation and sustainability creation. That's all for today's video. I hope you found this sample answer helpful and that it gives you some ideas on how to approach this cue card topic. Remember, the key to doing well in the IELTS speaking exam is practice. So try to practice speaking on different topics as much as you can. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more IELTS tips and sample answers. Also, if you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover in future videos, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Good luck with your IELTS preparation.